Actually, completion is 30th January. But the current rate, because of his initial difficulty, appears to be 1 or 2 months delay, but he can fill it up.
All the projects, both the projects.
That project will get over by November. There we had to terminate the contractor because he was not taking the speed.
These are main projects that are currently going on in the constituency. The market project complex at Kortali and the market complex at Zuarinagar. Now, CM is going around to all the constituencies, inspecting the work. He wants to know what is the status of each project. So therefore he's coming, and I'm sure his coming will also hasten the pace of work, because he's under the impression that he's going to see almost a complete project. So when he sees that there's still a lot of work to be done, I'm sure he will give them some deadlines to be met, and hopefully the project will be completed as quickly, because all the vendors, everybody is waiting to come in, and we are also eager to get them inside and let them start with their business. So hopefully this should happen a little faster once CM comes here, and also CM can give us his thoughts on various aspects of the project.